Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add digital downloads and digital products to your store on Cartel. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm logged into my account and I'm on my dashboard, and if I go into products, I won't be able to add any digital downloads. This is because Cartel does not support digital products at the moment. However, there is a way to circumvent that. For that, you need to go into the account section, go into shop designer, and then go into code, and then you're going to be adding an integration. Now, I don't have a paid for plan, so I can't add the integration myself, but this is where you're going to go and add the widget, which is done by a third party, which you can use to sell digital products. Now, for this, I do recommend power.io. It is a very useful item or service which you can use, and you just need to search for digital downloads, click get app, and that's going to open up the digital download editor. This is going to allow you to customize everything you want, to configure payments, notifications, add the products under content that you want, set up any other options, as well as edit the design of the embed. Then once you're done with that, you just need to go into publish, and once you click on publish, you'll be granted a code which will allow you to embed to a certain platform. As you can see, you can embed it to Cartel. So once I click that, it's gonna give me the code. So you just need to paste the code in the code box where it's gonna have to go, and that is pretty much all you need to do. You can again add it manually here to the integration code, which you do need to do. And once you do that, you'll have the ability to sell digital products, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.